Hi, this is Shahriar Kovir from Clean Code. Today I will show you how you can add or display the variant's title and that variant's price in the Shopify collection pages. If you see in my screen, let's go to the collection page, and here you see the title and the price, right? Like for this two products, the from 10 USD and from 9.95 USD, these are the products with multiple variants, right? If you go to, for example, let me see a better example, maybe this one. Okay, if we go into this product, you see these are five variant with different pricing, right? So what we are going to do now is we are going to list these variants in the collection page with their related price. So how we can do it? Uh, to do that, we are going to follow one of our blog tutorials from our website. Let's go here, then see the blog tutorial, and basically we need to modify the cart product liquid file and add that code there. Let's copy it and go to the backend of your store. We will edit the code, and now under snippets you should find the card product.liquid file, and here we are going to add the product table under the price. So we will find out the line for the price. Which line prints the price? I believe this is the line here, 205. So let's paste our code here. Yes, and format. Okay, maybe another enter here. So basically this code, if you see in the line 207, it checks if this is the collection page or not, like if it is home page or it's a related section of a single product, then our code will not work, because we aim to display the variant's name and price only in the collection pages of our site or of our store. And also there is another condition which checks it will display the variant table and price only if the product has more than one variants. So then it will print the variant name and the price here, variant title and price. Okay, let's save it and let's refresh. Yeah, now you see the title and the price under each of those products which has multiple variants and the price. Okay, let's try to make it nice with some CSS code. Copy, go back to your admin, assets, maybe base. It's good to add your all custom CSS at the very end of your CSS file. Okay, we paste it and forward maybe CSS, then save Okay, it's saved. Now let's refresh again. Yeah, it looks better than before. Okay, yeah. So this is how you can add the variant's name and price in the collection pages. I will paste the blog tutorial link in the down description section so you can easily get the copy from here. Also, please feel free to join our free Shopify support group where our support engineers uh, always help with your any custom needs. Thank you.